What's going on, boaters? I'm on a 2016 SunCatcher, 24 feet. This boat just came in on trade, has a Yamaha 225 with only 149 hours. This boat is super clean with lots of seating. You have couches up front, removable table, ski locker coming in. I really like this area here too because your passenger can relax. Driver's seat, you do have a Garmin depth finder on here, analog gauges, Jensen audio. Coming to the back, I love this part of the boat because you have storage bins here. Also underneath, you do have a pop-up changing room. I really like the idea of these lockable glove boxes right here, and you can also charge your phone. Good spot to put it so you're not gonna get it wet. Huge deck space in the back with the swim ladder. Nice spot to be able to jump off the boat, and you also have a point for a ski pylon there. Again, Yamaha 225. Come check out this boat at MarineMax Nisswa.